A number of faculty members have a public academic Twitter page that they use to connect with others as well as share and stay up to date with research and/or trends in their fields of interest. It's also an opportunity for them to hear about conferences and funding opportunities as well as share with folks what they're learning at a seminar, event, or breakout session for those not able to attend. Like LinkedIn, on a case-by-case basis, you can follow faculty members on Twitter. But keep in mind, each person may have a different take and personal policy on whether they will refollow students or alumni. Some folks are more inclined to do so than others, so don't be offended if they don't. Before following a faculty member on Twitter, I'd encourage you to check in with them and get their consent. When engaging in a conversation about this subject, let them know that you saw they have a Twitter page and that you're interested in what they're sharing with the academic community, and if you could follow them now or in the future. For more information or further tips and tricks, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops or even make a one-to-one appointment with our consultants.